Hello there, Justin here, and you're watching Justin's Garage. Here we go. In today's video, we'll be discussing the world of 250cc motorcycles. With a large selection of 250 bikes to pick from, ranging from the CBR 250R, Ninja 250, any of the highest end 250 bikes, the VSR 250, Honda Rebel, etc., etc. There's an endless supply of 250 bikes, each unique and equipped with their own pros and cons. Sadly, cons outweigh the pros in this case for most riders. Here's why I think so. All 4-stroke 250 bikes have well under 50 horsepower. 0 to 60 times are nothing to brag about, and top speeds cap at 100, with actual top speeds ranging more in the 80s. For the power and speed hungry rider, this probably sounds like a Barbie mobile that is missing a wheel. If you thought this, you are right. 250s are by no means fast, but with a lack in speed and power, they make up for maneuverability and ease of riding. This poses a question: who actually rides a 250 and why? I see two reasons someone would get a 250. They need something light and nimble for commuting in heavy traffic and want the crazy good gas mileage, or someone is new to riding and wants something that probably won't kill them. They are right. If you die on a 250, you're doing something wrong. These bikes are ridiculously easy to ride, leaving tons of room for error and even more room for practicing. I want to set the record straight about 250s. I had the misconception that a 250 would be great to learn on and give me years of enjoyment. I was horribly wrong. These bikes are not for new riders. I regret getting my 250. Don't get me wrong, it's a great bike, so easy to ride and gets me anywhere without worrying about running out of gas, but literally days into having it, I got bored. Considering that learners are learning, with greater and more improved abilities, riders can tackle bigger and faster bikes. If you learn and grow at a typical pace, you'll definitely outgrow your 250 faster than it loses value. 250 bikes are truly for the commuter looking for easy riding and incredible gas mileage. Beginners really should consider the wide variety of 500 and 600 bikes. They will give you plenty of power to enjoy while you have it, but still be light and maneuverable enough for beginners to get the hang of riding. It will just take a responsible risk and a careful ease into riding. My closing thoughts on this matter: 250cc bikes are small. Beginners need to consider something bigger in order to save money and the hassle included with buying and selling a bike in such a short time, or be stuck with a bike there and happy riding. And the whole goal of riding is to be happy, right? I hope this video gave you some insight into the world of 250 bikes and why beginners shouldn't waste their time and money on them. If you have any other thoughts about this topic, drop them below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider liking and subscribing. This is Justin, and I'm signing off.
Thank you.